Man, that sounded crazy. What's up, YouTube? Got check engine light on a 2019 Kia Sorento. Took it in O'Reilly's. Read the code P000B. Turned out to be a VVT solenoid, the variable valve timing solenoid. But apparently it's for the bank 2 engine position system. Performance had a fault lodged in the computer after a predetermined period of time. It came up as the VVT. Like I said, we was at O'Reilly's and the guy told us, well, he gave us the one for the exhaust. Because apparently there's 2 VVTs and he gave us the one for the exhaust. So I guess because it says bank 2, I imagine that's what it goes to. Nonetheless, we had to find it. 2019 Kia Sorento. Videos is crazy online, but I'll show you what we're working with. There we go. Pop that off. And then I believe this is your intake, and your exhaust is right here for the VVT. Kind of looks crazy, but it looks easy enough. It's just, I guess if you just follow this, you will find it. The last one here. It's on the back side of the engine on the passenger side. There it is. That's what they gave us. Let's make sure it's correct. This will show you what it looks like. Brand new. If you're doing it one-handed, it's all good. Well, there's another hand. Out of nowhere. Hold up. Let's see what they do. We got this from O'Reilly's, like I said. So let's get into it. If I can freaking get that, that's definitely 10. So, oh, got it. Let's disconnect this first. There we go. Easy take off. In there. There it is. Pops in there. I'm not sure what the torque spec is on this. It was pretty tight when I was taking it off. I'm just gonna make sure it's snug and then quarter turn. Whoever's listening. She on there now. Pull her back up. start it up and see what it do. Turn her on. And sure enough, no more check engine light. Yeah, we good. I guess we'll see if it lasts. Hopefully that helps somebody. Appreciate y'all.